What's the best steak for grilling? I hear you asking, and I'm here to answer it. Hey, it's Jess Pryles with Hardcore Carnivore, and today I'm going to answer one of life's burning questions. What is the best steak for the grill? Well, the answer isn't quite as simple as you'd think. So, cuts like brisket are not great for hot and fast cooking, but amongst the steaks that are, a lot of it is up to personal preference. Here are our 3 steaks. Do you recognize any of them? Let's start with the ribeye. This is the classic steak, beloved by carnivores. It's rippled with plenty of fat, which keeps the steak juicy, flavorful, and tender. This one is a little more unusual. This is the Denver steak, and it's from the chuck or shoulder area. It's actually extremely tender, but really flavorful, and you can see it's got some great marbling. Finally, we have the flat iron steak, also known as the blade steak. This one is one of my favorites. It's really nice and thin, so it'll cook up quickly on the grill, and it's super tender. No matter which steak you choose, I would actually cook them all in the same way, and that's using my Just Keep Flipping method. So first up, I'm gonna season with Hardcore Carnivore Black. Then I'm gonna load up a grill with coals on one side and get it super hot, and I'm gonna cook the steak by flipping it every 20 or 30 seconds until it reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, and that is perfectly medium rare. For more great tips, subscribe to the Academy Sports and Outdoors YouTube channel.